This as a result of adjoining roads are not fixed in Benin. If adjoining roads is fixed in Benin, we will not have this kind of hold up. And you can see this is Upper Sakpomba by 3 House and facing towards Uyusa. This is what some of those locals suffer on daily basis. As you can see, students are unable to go to school, to access school at this time now. Me myself, I'll be standing here for barely an hour trying to access my way out of this place. You can see the long stretch. You see, because the roads not there. There are several adjoining roads, but they are not motorable. So because they are not motorable, everybody will find their way to the major road and become difficult for people. So as you can see, people are trapped right now. This is Upper Sakpomba 3 House Auto Uyusa. Presently I'm by opposite Okunwagwe Joshua. That's Okunwagwe Joshua at Upper Sakpomba, popular Upper Sakpomba. You can see that over the years, you can see that government presence is not fed at Upper Sakpomba at all. There is nothing that will make you to see that government presence has been fed here. Now slum, now be all those areas, as you can see. Where is NAIJA Watch? Look at the side of the road, you can see some of the things I'm talking about. You can see that door is working. On both sides of the road is blocked. Can see the level of hold up. money. Where are you, sir? Okay, I'm trapped at Upper Sakpomba. I've not even gotten vehicle as I'm speaking to you. But I'll meet you at CCID. But this thing should be on his way too. This thing will join you. I'll join you for later. I'm doing some recording. Yeah, do one. Okay. And I say Upper Sakpomba, na me at this, so this is the popular tree house where I just faced, so, and this road is called 3 House Junction, 3 House Street, along Upper Sakpomba Road. As you can see the nature of the road. And some of those major road, adjoining road, if it is fees, some of those old dub you are seeing right now will be beaten on the past, because there's none of the adjoining road is motorable. So motorists, commuters find themselves on this major road, and this major road now in the swallow more than waiting the feed do, because those adjoining road is not motorable. And you can see some of the sufferings of our people here in GTBANK local government of area of Edo State. Now here they call Upper. You pass this very place now, you head to Idobo, which is the headquarter of the GTBANK local government. But funny enough, you see what we are seeing, and the volume of people when they come out for this area, you know, they are countless. You can see all to that point. All to that point, you can see IAB. So when I say over the years, Edo State has been neglected, not by strangers, but by our own people who neglected us. Let me see. Over. Okay, I'm able to pass. Well, let me take a walk down a little. Bro, did you look out here? Have you asked you some questions? I bet more work I go inside small. I want to be your camera. Can you? Huh? Okay. But meanwhile, some are declining interview, but me I take them down. This is the popular 3 House Road. Well, this road is off the major Upper Sakpomba Road. Okay, thank you. Madam, I don't want to grant you interview. Can you grant interview? Okay. So that's the problem that people, they always like to talk. But meanwhile, the road stretched down inside also connects so many adjoining roads. Let me take it down. May not be like say I don't know what they talk. I would have loved to ask people, but they like to talk. But the truth is that they are good at complaining. And when they complain, it's so funny that they complain only to silly. Only to silly. Well, it's a major road. Well, let me take it to a particular stage. Maybe I go back. Well, bros, about the name of this road? NIGERIAN, the name of the street. This junction where they call this one. Can I interview you? Yeah. Oh God. May I come into there? No, me call it that. Somewhere is both, because maybe me and Nowebana you will not talk. So that makes him a special person.
Okay.
Bros, what's the name of this street?
Obude.
Okay, well, may I have to introduce myself? My name is Leftist Aimosa. This TV, we are from the show you now. They call her NAIJA Watch. This NAIJA Watch, now I do in diaspora. I do with they abroad. Now then join us together. Get this program. Why they get program, we say, waiting government, they tell them over there. Different from waiting their own people. They tell them, say it they happen here. So they don't know whether or not government deceive them or whether or not the people. Because mainly, some of them don't come up for this country for over 30 years. Yes, So now they can't gang together and say they should have this program so that they will know the details from from various community to community, so that they feel they hold those way if they are accountable, those who will elect whenever they come, they talk to them. Because before we can't get governor here, we must go meet Edo Union for abroad. Now then they endorse them. So make they feel they engage them. So now make me come here now. And particularly people who come from Upper. Now I request say more cover this very area with me there now. Who don't live here for some more than 30 years requested. Now I make me come. Say I not get other work to do. So I can draw attention on those who elect. So now this program, this NAIJA Watch, now YouTube you feel watch am. And this program under this NAIJA TV they call her Ewanta. I tell me I then code name her. So my brother, introduce yourself now.
My name is Samuel Binomaya.
Why you go take my name?
No, my name is that.
No, you remove you delete some. Come on,
okay, inside. My name is Samuel Basogi.
No, I Binomaya. Okay. So my brother, now pidgin this thing. As you can see, people like us don't go school. No, this three house street. What will be the situation?
The situation many. One, no light.
No light.
Bad road.
Okay.
Three. If I think about this country, Nigeria, or especially Edo State, if you not come out here today.
No, just tell me. If you tell me.
More just brief and upper. This area.
Yes.
3 years.
Yes.
One, we lack power supply.
Power supply.
Yes, that's no constant light.
Okay.
Since January, we never see that for this area.
Since January.
You can make a 5 months, you never see that.
Lord don't know that. Okay.
It shock you.
Shock me now.
Yeah, it not shock you. Road, bad road.
Yes.
So bad road. We know you see that. If maybe government will provide good road, they not do road, not gonna go that road. I feel trek. I feel park my motor for 3 hours, don't trek go my house. For me, they more you see lights. With lights, you feel cover your own business individually. Okay. You just need lights, good lights.
So, is there government present in this area?
Government not present on Nigeria. Which area?
No, like for local government and all, they ever do anything on this area?
Only what they do now to call they draw revenue. I did call you again or boss here finish.
Okay, now only revenue that they collect here. This very street where they show now they call now with day of 3 years. Obude Street. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your boldness because now from Joshua, I did beg people make they talk to me since. They no great talk. Where now Obude Street now cover just now this very one where I did face the normal 3 years again. I thank this my brother. Now in both in talk to me now. I try to reach other people. They don't want to talk. The problem of Nigeria be say when you see something, you say something. Definitely one day every one of us must die. And when we die, now the good good legacy, now go speak for us. A good more talk waiting they happen, so that possibly if those who are elected, they're not there aware, they should be aware by this. Me, I believe strongly that the state executive might not be aware, but now we are drawing their attention to these 3 hours of major popular Upper Sakpomba road. So as with the talker now, this 3 house linked to so many streets. Here na street before, but erosion has taken over the street. You see, if I stretch further, let me see. You can see. Say na streets be this, but erosion don't take over completely. You can see, it not be street again. It be like farm part, where the parts go. Farm, we are doing this to draw attention of the state relevant authority. May they carry their searchlight, come here, may they come fix this road. Because when this road is fixed, some of those hold up with this upper, like the one they experienced for over 2 hours since, will be thing of the past. I think to do all those things not really hard. Like this road, what you need is gutter, channel the water properly. Once you channel the water, you do the road and you see that things will come to normal. But as it is now, as some of them who talked to me off camera said, they have been neglected. And think you, if you reach upper, you will see say upper not get government present over the years. Now neglected community. That is why you see high level criminality and other negative vices in this area, because government has neglected this area for a long time. As you can see, people here, they are struggling and they actually want to survive. When people want to survive without direction, at times it becomes difficult. This is another adjoining street again. This is the same adjoining street of the Century house. I think this road is Ekato Street. So you can see Ekato Street of Tiri house. If you see and go down, you see and say there's no life on this road at all. So, and the people here are really suffering. As you can see, I don't know how I'll be able to go above this place, but it's as wide as your eye can see that the roads, na very straight road, are connect many adjoining roads that you fit take. You go avoid the major Upper Sakpomba road, and that one can be avoided. Those hold up that we are seeing and those embarrassment that we are seeing along Upper Sakpomba road can be avoided once government didn't fit to fix this kind of road. Well, I see keke park here. I don't know whether some of those keke people, they will talk to me. Like some way talk to me off camera, say, now mechanic, now be their best friend. Good morning, sir. Morning, sir. I agree to sir. I want to interview you on this road and wait till now they pass through. Okay, you just spare me the time. I'm doing it for you, not the pass water enters. Okay. Good morning, sirs. I will be your guy here. I want to interview somebody. Nobody want talk. Oga, who have you asked questions? I came here. Wait. Now the road. Listen to me. Oga, listen now. You listen to me. All of us they talk. Who want talk?
Question first. Before you video, you ask
excuse sir. If all of us are talking, nobody is talking. That is the truth of the matter. I came here, I met this man. He said to come and meet you people. I'm not a mad person. No. Listen, sir. I'm not a baby. I came here called this road. Are you enjoying the road? You think I'm jobless? No. So I can't now from that side. Now I take the road, go down. Okay. Now my duty to interview now, because somewhere I do interview say now mechanic be their friend and some of the thing. So I came to the park to come and ask you people question.
Bros, the way you video, I saw you while as soon as we were coming, I saw you.
Okay.
While coming. As you were coming,
yes.
You were videoing. I saw you.
Yes.
Before you come to this part and start videoing, because I remember you point your video to this place and you are videoing everybody. You cannot do it. You are not a layman.
You are not getting.
If you want to interview me, you must on your video. First, I said sorry. You must off your video. Then talk to people that day. Then I don't know where I'm going to. You cannot continue to video me. If anybody are talking, say one person is talking or the talk where the is.
Okay. Okay,
You can't just follow me like that. I don't like it. Nigeria will
are you a leader here?
No, I'm not a leader.
If you are a leader, you must learn how to listen to people.
Why must I listen? If my leader is here, they must talk to you.
I met this man here who directed me to you. I know a man.
That man made a mistake.
No, I didn't make a mistake. Now, when you made me what did I say?
You said to come and meet them.
I said, go.
He said he's busy.
Did I tell you to video?
Okay, I want to talk. All those stuff, doctor. Okay, where I'm done with the people here, as they are not willing to talk. For me, actually, you cannot cry more than the bereaved, because now who get sickness, now you know as he want to cure his sickness, but meanwhile, now the keke park just pass so, and nobody is willing to talk. So I go back to the main upper Sakpomba road, and we talk so, now the same 3 house, now day. So I dey take and they go, because freedom na choice. According to the book of Joshua, I say for me and my people, we go serve the Lord. But for those others have choices to make. You either have a choice to become a coward, or you have a choice not to become one. So one of the choices where you get as Nigerian, now to talk when things are wrong. You know, you say you go talk, you go keep quiet, go they talk to the report to Silly, and Silly not get help for you one day do for you. But meanwhile, I round up at Niger train, they carry the waka, they go since the same 3 house. You see now another adjoining street. I not even fit take and go down because of the bad nature of the road. This is another adjoining street. We are begging, like I said before, to the state government. I know say this one, you know, like saying a local government road is a state road, but all of the roads, the adjoining street of this major 3 house is a local government road. Actually, a local government is supposed to fix that one, but all be the same. I think a message has been sent to the relevant authority to do the needful so that we can make progress. That, like I keep on saying, Edo State has been neglected for years. We have only had 2 governors, Dr. S.O. Gbemudia of blessed memory, and late Professor Abusali too. Those are the only governors who have done well in Benin, in Edo State. But apart from those 3, those 2 that I mentioned, there is no other governor who have done well in this state. Like, how can you have this kind of street in? How can you have this kind of street linking to a major road? A major road, and this street alone is a major street because it is linked to various adjoining streets, and the population, as you can see, as I've said before, are so much that when they start coming out, it will beat your imagination, and such road need attention of state executive. Where I'm almost coming to the conclusion of my recording by NAIJA Watch, where I just want to take the last lap, which is upper Sakpomba you are looking at, and by the side of the popular 3 house building, where this is the road, may upper Sakpomba road. I mean, at least so. But meanwhile, you can see the progress made over years in Edo State.
Somebody when you know, make you bring them come. Make Dr. Good news that use correct medicine. Take over all the
head towards Ring Road.
One time.
This is the popular 3 house junction. And here I end this story. My name for NAIJA Watch, who is thanking the for Edo State. For Benin, Naibi Leftis, Amausa.